Hello everyone and welcome to another episode from HISOCI training. Today we will speak about the WhatsApp marketing leads generate, how we send offer to our client, how we do everything using WhatsApp, and we will use Google and the file I will share with anyone that's in our team. So first let us speak about this file. That file I sent for all my sales team. We can see that this is the business name and this is the business number, and that's like how many reviews they have in Google, and this is the review rate, and this is the business category. As we can see, the beauty salon in Abu Dhabi. So all of these companies, it's in Abu Dhabi. If we check the address, we can check that's all in Abu Dhabi. This business salon, it's all in Abu Dhabi, and we have in this only in Abu Dhabi like 265 company. So let us speak about how we can make benefit or send offer to these clients. First, we have two type. The type that they mention the landline number, and this it's WhatsApp number. So we can have the two type. For each type, we will speak about. For example, let's start for the first one. The first one we don't have here WhatsApp number. So we will copy his name, go to the browser and mention their name in Google. As we can see, we have their name. We have they have a website. So we will open the website in another page. As we can see, they have a good website, but we will try to find any WhatsApp number. So we will go to the contact us. As we can see here, we have the WhatsApp number and its link. Like if I press, he will ask me to open the WhatsApp number using my WhatsApp in the desktop. First, you must download your WhatsApp in the as an application on your Windows. So if you are working from the mobile, so it's easy. Just you open, just you press in the WhatsApp number, and he will transfer you to the application. Right now we have a white page. I didn't contact with this customer. I didn't send him any type of offer. I didn't send him anything. So we will try to make a conversation with him to understand or to check with him if he will interest in our offer. First, I will go to my digital product. Right now we have this digital product. We will try to sell this WhatsApp marketing software to this business. This is our PDF file. As we can see, this is our PDF file. So we will copy the PDF and put it here in the chat. First, I will introduce this in the caption, not as a message, because I don't need to send two messages for the client. I need to send him one message, and in this message I need to clarify all the details here in one message. So here, for example, hi Susai, what's up marketing software software best deal in UAE, for example, and I will send a message for him. Or maybe I can put also our check our PDF file to know more about our WhatsApp marketing software, and I will send the message for him. But this I will make it hard because he will write a message and he will do a lot of things. I need to make it easy for the client. So I will go to this attachment and I will add a pool. And here is not represent. No, I don't need drawing. here is not represent. Okay, here represent, but here why is not represent? Okay, right now it's show. I will make him a pool. Like for example, are you interested to buy our WhatsApp marketing software? For example, and I will add for him and professional options. For example, first one it will be set up an expert consultation. Set up an expert consultation, and I will mention for him like it's only 30 minutes. Then I will make, for example, book an appointment. Third one, I will make him like get a quotation, and I can make for him like send company profile. And the last one, I give him a question like why should I choose high society marketing, for example, solutions. And I will send him this pool. That how we send a lot of offer. As we can see, guys, this is a client. I sent for them an offer, for example, in this way, and she told me like we need WhatsApp marketing software. So we start a conversation until she buy our software. So first we have 2 points. First one, I need to make something easy for the client to let him make action, and I need to give him a lot of option. So when I given him like set up an expert consultation, he don't need to buy. When I make him book an appointment, also he don't need to buy. Get a quotation if he are really interested and he know about what is the benefit of the WhatsApp marketing software. This if he don't trust us, like if he don't know anything about us, we just send him a message, for example. So he will ask for our company profile. Also, if he have some question like who we are and why we send him this offer, so we give him also an option. Why should I choose HISOCI marketing solution, for example? We will send him our company profile, our portfolio, and a message to let him trust us as description for our software and what is the benefit of this software. So that's how we are sending messaging using WhatsApp from this file. This file here represent as a landline number, but we already sent him message. So we will go to the WhatsApp, copy his number, and we will put here in our file. That خلاص we send. And for organize our work, we will put it as a green, like we send this offer. Also here I have the WhatsApp number already. So I will go to the browser, right here, wa.me slash plus 971, and I will put his number, and when I press enter he will open the number of this company and it's already online. So I will also make same thing, but first I need to copy. To make this work easy, I will copy the letter, I will refresh the link to open again, and here I will go to the digital product. I will put also same what I did. I will make okay. So I send him another offer. This is another client, and also I will make a pool for him. I will make pool, same pool. I can copy from here. Are you interested to buy our software? Pool, and I can put here and same option, set up an expert consultation 30 minutes. And the other option, it will be, for example, book an appointment. The third one, it was get a quotation. Here, for example, I can send company profile, and here I can make something to make the customer make action for me. I need HISOCI software for free. For example, we can put it like this. And we send the poll. Each number, it will take like between 1 minute to 2 minutes and a half. That's maximum. And I will continue checking if someone check or if they read. Like if they read this stick, it will be blue. If a lot of business like make, even if they read, they will not represent blue. But if he are interested, he will send me message. If he are not interested, so it's not a problem. So here I also put this as a green. I send right now too. I can also copy this, for example. This is the last one, and I will go to Google also and will mention I only put the business here. As we can see, maybe this is the business number, maybe this is the website, this is also beauty center. I will try to find any WhatsApp number. Here they don't mention any WhatsApp number. Oh, this is a WhatsApp number. I can also write wa.me slash plus 971 and I will copy, but if they have a space here, I need to remove the space. Right now we have another client. As we can see, I will copy the message and open the number again. I will go to our digital product. I will send caption, send. I will go here to copy the caption, the pool. I will put here. So also it will be set up an expert consultation. For example, 30. I can put 50 minutes. I can put anything I need. Okay, and here, for example, I will make it like a small pool. Get a quotation, and I need the software for free. And I will put like, can I can put any type of options I need. That's how we study the market. First, I send this. Second, I send, for example, this. Third, I send this. I will see like what kind of the customers make reaction with any kind of pool. I will choose it as like primary pool. Like I will send every time this pool. So here we finished this number also. We finished this, but I will copy the number that I scrap already or I have, because I don't need to search again. And here this is, it's green. So right now I finished like 3 number. We have 205, 265 company. To finish all the numbers, it will take time, but from our analyze, usually from like every 100 number, maybe you can get 25 client, 30 client, 40 client. Like for example, 60% of these numbers, maybe 1%, maybe you will not get anything. It's regarding to what kind of business category I'm targeting. and for I must send for them something they will make benefit for them. Like for example, I can send them a package for example, and flying for like a website for travel agency. They will not active with me, but if I send an offer that will help this kind of business to grow, to get more leads, they will be active with me. So, regarding to this software, the digital product that we already have, a lot of customers make action with it. Like a lot of customers need. So from these numbers, I send like usually every day 200 to 250 number by WhatsApp. I get every day at least from 5 to 7 client making action with me from the first day. From the second day, I have like 2 to 3 customers make action, like they will answer the poll. In the last day, I have like one, but after some days, like they are checking our PDF files, they checking our company, they checking who we are, a lot of things. For example, I have from this 200 number at least like 25 to 35 clients. Why? Because this business category need this type of product. So that how we make a marketing using the WhatsApp and our leads generate files that we already sent for all our team. Thank you for watching.